Hi, it's me again, Fabio. Well, you know who I am. Well, today I will show you how to use Canva and how to create a good presentation and how it help you. Well, first, Canva is a website which will help you to create so many designs as you wish. Well, first we go to canva.com. First, you have to log in. You can log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. And in my case, I will log in with Google. You can use the account you want only if it is Google, Facebook, or Apple. Well, this is the front page of Canvas. As you can see, there are so many designs, which is a suggestion from Canva to you. You can use for social media, for events, for marketing, or document, and so many ways more. Here are the designs that you used in the past. Uh, if you want to create a new design, you go here to create a design. You can search a keyword, for example, presentations. And here are some templates which you can use. Some are free and some are you have to pay. Well, this one is free. Let's see how is it. This template has 18 pages, so there are here are all the designs which you can use. Also, you can upload photos. Canva has some photos, which some are free again, and some you have to pay. Uh, you can create elements as figures. You can use lyrics of the style you want. You put in music, videos, and backgrounds. So, as you can see, you can edit the presentation as you want. For example, if you want to delete this one, you can do it without a problem. You can share it with some friends. For example, you can share it, and also you can work in teams. You can download your presentation. You can download as a video, as a PDF or GIF. You can download all the pages or only some pages in specific. And you can present your presentation. You can transform it in PowerPoint or something else. Well, I hope this will help you. See you next time.